So this is the charcoal. You first of all measure the charcoal and know the measurement. Then you wash your charcoal. When you wash your charcoal, and you now use either vinegar or lime, and the ratio is 1:2. What it means is that you will measure your, when you measure your charcoal, you divide the measurement by 3. So your vinegar or your lime is going to be 1 part. Then you add with 2 parts of water. So you leave it for 24 hours. Then you drain the water, dry it, just like you see me doing. Then when it's completely dry, you try to heat it into small chunk. Then you blend it using your blender, and you will get a powder which is not completely smooth. But what you have to do is you have to sieve it. You use a sieve to separate the smaller particle with the big one. So at the end, after I sieve everything, I have the bigger one. Then the smaller one is supposed to be saved in a container, sealed, so you can use it for any other thing that you think should be done.